Hi, welcome back to Huffler Garage. So we're back here today again with our 2006 Mini Cooper S. So our passenger's low beam bulb was actually burnt out. So when we took it out and inspected it, it was actually cracked and busted. So if you look back at your owner's manual, you'll be able to figure out what bulb it is. But that's actually not the case. So with the Model S, you get Xenon headlights. And if you refer back to your manual, or even look on Amazon, anything else, it's going to call for an H7 bulb, which is a halogen. Xenons do not take those. And in your manual, it says to take it to a dealership. So we weren't going to do that. So we actually ended up looking it up at AutoZone. It was $99 for one bulb. So we ended up getting on Amazon, and we found a set of the actual Xenon bulbs, a set of them, for 21 bucks, which is a heck of a lot better price. So we're going to show you the installation of these. So when you go to change these out, if you go to look them up on Amazon, it's going to show you the H7 HID conversions. On AutoZone, it's not that obvious. So what you're going to need to get is a D2S. That's the bulbs for the Xenon headlights. The brand we went with was Mega Racer. But just as long as you get that D2S, these are the bulbs that are going to go in it. So once you open the hood on your Mini Cooper, or on our Mini Cooper, the headlights actually do come up with the hood on these. We did actually replace the hood struts, and these are about $20 off Amazon as well. We'll add the link in the description. On this headlight, there's this lid. It's got a metal retaining clip, which you'll just pull off, and that lid will come off. And then there we assume that is the ballast. When you release that ballast and turn it, it'll eject that plug there. And then you will unscrew, and the headlight bulb will be able to be pulled out. Installation is the reverse process. The only thing you'll have to do now is plug your plug back in. Take note of the way the bulb comes out. It'll need to go back in the same way. So there you have it. That's how you do the headlight bulb in the Mini Cooper S with Xenon headlights. Please do be cautious. This is a high voltage system. You do have to remove a ballast that holds power. When you pull out a part, there is the chance that you can be electrocuted. If you feel safer taking it to the dealership or a mechanic, please do. This is just to kind of show you how to do it, and hopefully you enjoy. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions of this installation, please don't hesitate to comment. We'll get right back to you.